First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we're back to seeing some sunshine after a few clouds this morning and even a little bit of light precipitation, but now things should begin to clear up just a little bit, but a little cooler than yesterday thanks to a weak disturbance that is passing through the area. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, seeing that disturbance now producing a little bit of light rain earlier this morning, even some light snow showers up around the Lexington, Fayette County area and on over toward Frankfort. Even Louisville saw a few little snowflakes this morning, and there were some light raindrops around Grayson, Breckenridge, Hardin counties this morning, LaRue County, all that now pushing off to the north and east. The atmosphere pretty dry here at the surface down in southern Kentucky, and that disturbance is weakening as it moves off to the south and east, so we're really not expecting much out of this. We may see a few clouds with the sunshine for the afternoon, but temperatures are starting to kind of ease off now, so we're about as warm as we're going to get today. 47 the current temperature reading right now in Bowling Green. Let's show you the mesonet sites, and here's what I'm talking about. It is 39 in Hartford, 32 in Calhoun, 34 in Hardinsburg. You actually were a little bit warmer this morning than you are right now. This is evidence of that disturbance moving its way through the area. Notice south of that line we see temperatures in the warmer mid and upper 40s, even 50 degrees down in Burkesville at this hour, but temperatures may cool just a bit, or we're about as warm as we're going to get for the day. And you can also tell a shift in the wind here, indicating that the front is coming through. Notice the arrows here coming out of the west and northwest as that front comes through at 10 to 15 miles per hour. But ahead of the front, the winds are coming out of the south and west. So that makes all the difference into what temperature you're feeling right now. It feels a little bit warmer in southern Kentucky than it does up in northern Kentucky, or the northern half of our viewing area. And even off in the distance, as we look live from our weather cam at exit 22 of I-65, you can look off into the north and northwest direction and see some of those clouds ahead of that disturbance trying to work its way through. 47 and mainly sunny right now, but it feels like 42 thanks to a west-southwesterly wind at 9, which is begun to shift. It's begun to shift already just back to the northwest of Bowling Green. So that's why I say this may be as warm as we get today. Now, as we check temperatures to the west of us, Greenville, you have actually fallen to 41 degrees. You've had a high so far today of 45 at the mesonet site there. It feels like 35, though, thanks to the winds now coming in from the west and northwest. Here's Munfordville. 46, you've been as high as 47. It feels like 43 there with a few fair weather clouds as you look through Hart County. Here's Litchfield. You're at 42. It feels like 36. You've been as high as 43. So you're starting to feel some of the effects of that same cold front trying to make its way through. And here's Mammoth Cave National Park, mostly sunny and 47. 47 at the airport. Notice it's only 21 in Indianapolis. Just to the north of us, real cold Arctic air starting to move now across the Ohio River. We'll be crossing through the Bowling Green area as we go into the afternoon. You may notice a few clouds when that happens, but not much more than that. A passing flurry can't be ruled out. We're 2 degrees warmer than we were at midday yesterday. Upper level energy, that's all that's happening here, just kind of rotating around a big area of low pressure to the north. Here's another piece of that energy moving through Illinois. It is forecast to dissipate as it moves further south and east as that front comes on through this afternoon. I think that little piece of energy will just kind of move on out. High pressure takes over tonight, calms the winds down. It is going to be breezy this afternoon. 10 to 15, 20 mile per hour winds will make it feel even chillier than the readings that you see on the thermometer. But a nice warm up starting tomorrow. The next few days will be relatively quiet until the weekend, and then things start to get a bit rainy around here. Forecast, sun and clouds, and a few more clouds later. Then the breezes pick up. About 46, 47 for a high, then mainly clear tonight, 29. Tomorrow, sunny and 53, near 60 on Thursday with increasing clouds. And here comes our cold front that is just going to come in and sit here through the weekend as impulses ride along the front. Heavy rain potential, maybe some thunderstorms. We'll have to be concerned about possible flooding in the area as well with high temperatures. Look at that. Upper 50s to low 60s. We'll be back with more midday in just a minute.